to Chicken Bacon. It's me, Cassie Frass, and today's video I am going to show you my art process of this beautiful fire rose drawing I did and my prismacolor pencils. So I'll stop rambling and get on with that video. This piece actually started off as a sketch, but after doing some inking practice on it, I decided that I wanted to add some color in there. Here I am using like some greens to get a nice beautiful gradient in on those leaves. So I apologize for this cut right here where I didn't record a big chunk of it. I typically bring my sketchbook with me wherever I go. Does anybody else do that? I have a hard time like sitting still and like focusing sometimes, so taking my sketchbook with me actually can help me finish a piece faster than if I were to just like, okay, you're gonna sit down and concentrate, because my mind doesn't work like the average person's. I really enjoyed the color scheme I used on this. I have a neon orange in my set of color pencils, and it's one of my favorites to use when I use like a red color scheme because it makes it so bright, and it makes me think of like flames. So to me this rose looks like fire. But you know, art is open to interpretation, and if you don't see it as that, that is perfectly fine. If you see it as something different, I would love to hear. I love hearing about people's interpretation of art. There's no wrong interpretation, there's no wrong guess, there's no wrong feeling that art can evoke out of you. It's your own personal experience. I actually recall this one time where I wrote this long like paragraph on Instagram to an artist I didn't even follow. I just like going through the art tags and commenting on random people's stuff because that's always a fun notification. And I commented this long paragraph about how the eyes of the portrait looked very dark and mysterious, and that I could tell it was being overcome by like evil. And the person replied back and they went, "Oh, thanks, it's just from Supernatural." And it makes me chuckle because people do this all the time when they analyze and interpret art. They do it all the time with movies and TV shows, which I love. I love going on to like fandom forums or like fandom pages on social media and seeing how all these people interpret it, and then you go and actually consume the media and it is something totally different than what the other person experienced. And that's just life sometimes. People have the same experiences, but their feelings and relationships to those experiences are totally different, and it's the same thing with art. You could want to draw an orange rose and it's going to look vastly different than mine, and they could still have the same similar concept and ideas, which is really cool. We are all individuals with our own individual taste and likes. In fact, if you have drawn a rose, you should tag me over on Instagram. My handle is cassie.frass, and I'll love to put your drawings and illustrations up on my story. That'd be really fun. So let's like start a follow train. You should totally comment down your Instagram handle on the comment section so other people in the comments can follow you, and you could find a whole new community of artists. Even though I'm not the best at communicating with other people, I really appreciate how art can connect me to other people with similar interests and with different lives and world experiences. So I really hope you guys can find your own community and own artist friends that help you feel connected and help you feel motivated to do art. I cherish every single connection I have made by being an artist. Even though this was just a sketchbook drawing, I feel like I really learned a lot from this. I have been drawing roses so much in the past couple of years. I feel like I have really improved, and I am proud of myself for continuing to work on drawing flowers and roses, even though it can be kind of frustrating and boring at times. I am trying a lot of new things with this video. I'm shooting like all sorts of B-roll and trying to find new angles to record at. So I hope this video isn't too distracting with all of these new things I'm still trying to experiment with. I actually recorded this voiceover, I'm not even kidding you, like 5 different times because I just haven't done a YouTube video in a while and I don't like the old process I used to do for my YouTube videos. So I'm just trying to keep things interesting for me, and I hope that it is interesting for the viewers as well. This particular video is pretty short, but that's just because I am trying to give myself the grace of just uploading a video, even though it's imperfect, even though there's not much subject matter, nothing deep going on. I just want to be able to record, edit, and upload a video without thinking too hard about it. So hopefully in the next coming weeks I'll upload longer videos that are hopefully better quality. So I really appreciate anybody who has made it this far in the video. We are coming up to the end, so here are some finishing shots of the rose. I added a little Bible verse in there because why not? I need to practice my calligraphy anyways. I did not record that process because calligraphy and penmanship is not my strong suit and I don't want people to make fun of me. I appreciate every like and comment I get on the video, even if I don't always reply. It really does mean a lot to me to see that other people enjoy the art that I make. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later, Gators. Bye-bye.